Oh, you don't mind my camera there?
No, it's...
Just having
You're not taking anybody's picture.
No, we're having fun on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not taking pictures. Hello, I'm Smithy. This is a Contiki with... Hello, baby. Whoa, I've just driven down Morecambe Promenade. And I couldn't park where I wanted to park because I wanted to park up, sit on a bench and then do the video. But anyway, I'm going to show you out in a minute. I'll tell you something, I don't know if I can take the footage off the dash cam. Because as I drove past the clock tower, it just reminded me of being in the 70s Morecambe. Packed, the beach is packed. People swimming, kayaks, all kinds. There's even where I am now at East Promenade, and I've always said East Promenade is probably preferable to me because you can actually see the sea, you know, rather than the sea wall. You can stand up and see over the sea wall at the West End, but here it's lower down, so you can just see everywhere. I'll show you what it's like in a minute. Anyway, I've got you obviously know I've got quite a lot of friends in van life, and I've got vans and all that. And one of them lives near the promenade, and he's converted his own van, and he can't park near his house on the prom. He lives just off the prom. But anyway, and then he started moaning. But he has said to me before, oh, I fancy making videos and inviting all these. No, that I haven't invited anybody. The vans just park up because Morecambe's a nice place to go and park up, and it's free. Anyway, I'll blank his face out because it's not fair for him to be on video, but you'll see what he said, and I'll show you the video of what he said. I'll just try and blank his face out if I can. Anyway, so here's him.
Good morning from Morecambe. It's a lovely morning. I'm on the promenade at Morecambe. The tide's out at the moment. Look at that beautiful view. What a lovely place to live. Now we're going to have a bit of a walk down the prom. And I'm going to show you Morecambe's caravan park. There's no facilities here. No toilets, nowhere to get rid of your waste. But here we are. Morecambe's Caravan Park. Nothing but camper vans. Some people say it's good for Morecambe. I don't know. We don't spend money here. Probably got Aldi and buy the bottle of wine. But why don't you all come here? Free parking. Stay here as long as you want. Nobody will bother you. It's not like any other seaside town. Look at them all. Amazing.
Anyway, so I commented, oh yeah, you're only saying that because you can't park your van there, because that's all he's after. Anyway, I've got another mate, and they go away every weekend. I think it's a little Citroen Berlingo. He's took the back seats out, he's put a couple of pallets down, he's got his cooker, he's got everything he needs in that van, and they go away all the time. And I'll show you what he said. I'll do the same, I'll blank his face out. It's not fair for him to be on camera when I haven't asked him. But I just wanted to show you what we've been having a laugh about. And don't get me wrong, the first lad, it's all fun, we're all friends, so anyway. So this is what the other lad said.
Here we go. Nice to see all the campers on Morecambe Prom. As you see, there's plenty of them. If the council can't be bothered to charge them a £5 or a £10 a night, then let it be. I'd come here free if I lived away. Absolutely not wrong with Morecambe. Absolutely brilliant. And a lot of them do use the market toilets for emptying their cases of the liquids. I've already asked somebody about that, so there's no problem. The more people visit Morecambe, the better.
But we've been talking to each other, and so then he decided to go in the same spot and do the same video. But anyway, I talked to a guy on the promenade, I think he's from Glasgow, and he'd been for about 3 days parked up there. He's had his side door open. He says, do you know what? He said, I've never been bored. He said, there's that many people walking past having a chat to me. I said, they will do, you're in the north, it's what people do. Well, Lancashire people, we're friendly. Anyway, so, you know, I was trying to tell him sites in Morecambe to go to. Go to Easham, go to Easham Village, have a look around the old ruins of the church and the gravestones of Ozzy Osbourne's cover, the best of Ozzy Osbourne, all that. He said, I've done it. I've been up there, and I had a meal at pub, and I went to a cafe. And they're spending money in the town. That's what counts. I've still said this before, why the council can't open a car park and let people stop, charge a £5 a night and leave a toilet open for them, you know, it's beyond me. They're missing a trick there. Anyway, I'll show. I'm going to look right pervert, I'm videoing out there, but I'll just show you. Let's have a look. Oh. Had the camera sideways. Oh. How could you not love this place, eh? Anyway, I'm going to bring back the end of the Contiki at the end of the month. Ask the Contiki. So if you have any questions, put them in the comments here and we'll make a video at the end of the month. We'll go out somewhere interesting. And I think we'll do that. We stopped it in February because obviously we had, you know, I lost my mother and all that. So it's time to bring it back, so we'll have some fun. God, it's hot. You alright? Anyway, I've had a visitor coming. Let's turn it round, you can hear me. I've had a visitor coming every... are we on? Yeah. Making sure I couldn't see the light. We've had a visitor coming. I'll show you at the end of the video. I've called him Brillo, and I found out you should feed these creatures cat food, believe it or not, because it's regulated, and their food isn't. You alright?
Oh yeah.
Oh, you don't mind my camera there?
No, it's
Just having
you're not taking anybody's picture.
No, we're having fun on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
I'm not taking pictures. Yeah, so anyway, you'll see him at the end, and he's become a little friend of mine over the last week or so. Problem is now I've looked after him, he keeps coming back, but he's getting bigger as well, so I'm pleased with that. Put water out, you know, a little bowl. The bowl you see is for the dogs. I have a little bowl there, but Brillo keeps coming, and anyway, you'll like that. So yeah, we'll bring the end of the month Asa Contiki back, and we'll do that. And because I like getting out, and you know, this view, it just ceases to amaze me. I'll show you the view one last time, and you'll be as amazed as I am, especially where I'm parked. I'll show you where I'm parked. It's, you know, to park for free. I don't know how long they're going to let you keep parking like this, but you never know. I'll show you the video of me driving down West End and not being able to park. But that's usually my favourite spot, and then if I overnight, I do it here in East Promenade.
I was like, oh god.
But anyway, along this promenade, there must be what, 5 miles of promenade. Some of it you can't park on, like in the dead centre, because it's got yellow lines there, which obviously it gets a bit narrower. But when they build the Eden project, which is starting in January, I believe, they're spending 100 million quid or whatever it is. You know, the parking might be different then, so get in while you can. And if they keep building these, well, they are going to keep building these tower blocks like this, apartments. They call them ensuite apartments now, don't they? They're not flats anymore, and they're about 250 grand each. So if you want one cheap, get one now. They are nice though, and especially overlooking the bay. You alright? Anyway, it's 11 o'clock. I'm not going to leave the dogs in the van too long. I have got all the blinds shut. I've got the tops open. I've got the door open with the fly sheet on. Morning.
Morning. Morning. Are we all right walking?
Yeah, you're fine. We're having some fun on YouTube.
Enjoy.
Anyway, I'll show you this view one last time, and then I'm going to go. But yeah, as far as doing anything, I've not been doing anything, to be fair. Ken wants me to go magnet fishing. Lawrence, I said I would go gold panning with him, and we'll do that, Lawrence. It'll have to be on a Tuesday or Wednesday when Sue's off, and we'll do that. We'll have a go in our little location. Right, I'll leave you with the view, and then I'll leave you with the video of a mate that keeps turning up, and you'll see him. So anyway. I couldn't see it out there, it got that busy. I thought I'll wait while these people walk past, they just kept coming. Anyway, I'm Smithy, this is a Kentucky. We've been having fun in the heat. I've just watched, is it Manchester Van Life? Bry, I don't know if it's called Brian or just Bry, but anyway. He put a post on Facebook, parked up wherever he's parked up with a couple of mates and having a barbecue. I said, that's what life's all about. That is it. No, it wasn't. It was a video he put on YouTube, to be fair. Manchester Van Life. And I said, that is exactly what life's all about, which is what me and Lawrence did in a couple of videos ago. We just parked up, talked to a lot of people that were in the vans. They're obviously Bry's mates, but these people I didn't know them when I was there. Anyway, that's what life's all about, having fun, innit? Yeah, am I right, Benji, or not? Benji, am I right? Am I right or not? It's very fun. Yeah. Anyway. I'm Smithy, this is a Kentucky. Stay safe, be lucky, and don't forget, the end of the month, I just can't stop looking at that view, I'm sorry. Give us some questions, I don't care what they're about, me, the van, having a van, what you can do in a van, how it works, making a YouTube video, anything you want, and we'll sort that out again, so I've missed doing that. Behave! I said it was busy. Not any busy that they're walking past and looking in. Well, I've got the fly screen on so dogs can't get out. But anyway, it's so hot. If I'm hot, they're hot, so I'm going to go. And remember this, right, I'll give you a warning. If you want to walk your dogs anywhere, right, in this weather, get the back of your hand and put it on tarmac on the floor. If it's too hot for you, it's too hot for the dogs. And somebody put a good post on. I can't remember who it was, but he said, put a fur coat on. What was it? Put a fur coat on and walk on the back of your hands and see how you feel. Then you'll know how the dogs feel. Anyway, right, I'm definitely gonna go now. I'll see you soon. I'll come up with some inventive video before we do the end of the month. That's the Kentucky if I can. I can't believe how busy it actually is. But obviously the heat brings everybody out and nobody can go on holiday. But anyway, such is life. See you soon. How do I turn this off, Benji?